Everyone's talking about AI agents. OpenAI has them, Google has them, Anthropic has them. But if you ask most people, including people who use AI every day, what an AI agent actually is, they couldn't tell you. And that's a problem because AI agents are genuinely going to change how we work, how we build things, and honestly, how we live. So today I'm going to break this down simply. No jargon, no hype, just a clear, step-by-step explanation of what AI agents are, how they're different from ChatGPT, and why they actually matter. By the end of this video, you'll understand this better than 95% of people out there. Let's get into it. Here's the roadmap for today. Start with what you already know. Basic AI like ChatGPT, move up to AI workflows. Then finally, what a true AI agent actually is, a real-world example that ties it all together, and why this matters for you. Think of it like climbing a staircase. Each step builds on the last. Okay, level 1. This is the ChatGPT era. An LLM, a large language model, is basically a really powerful prediction machine. You type something in, it predicts the best possible response, and it types something back. It's brilliant at writing, summarizing, answering questions, generating code. But here's the key limitation. It's reactive. It only does something when you ask it to. And it only does one thing at a time. You ask, it answers. Full stop. Think of it like a brilliant consultant who only speaks when spoken to and forgets everything the moment the meeting ends. That's level 1. Powerful but passive. Level 2 is where things start to get interesting. And honestly, where a lot of people are right now. An AI workflow is when you connect multiple AI steps together in a predefined sequence, like an assembly line. Here's a simple example. Say you want to create a weekly newsletter. Step 1, AI searches the web for relevant articles. Step 2, AI summarizes each article. Step 3, AI formats everything into a newsletter draft. Step 4, the draft lands in your email. That's a workflow. Each step runs in order. Each step passes its output to the next one. It's automated, it saves you time, and it's genuinely useful. Tools like N8N, Make, and Zapier let you build these kinds of workflows without any coding. But here's the catch, and this is important. A workflow can only follow the script. If something unexpected happens, like one of the articles returns a 404 error, or the content is in a different language, the workflow either breaks or does the wrong thing. Why? Because a workflow doesn't think. It just executes. It's like a GPS that only gives you the pre-planned route and can't reroute around traffic. That's the ceiling of level 2. Now we're at level 3. This is where it gets genuinely mind-bending. An AI agent is an AI that can reason. It actually thinks through what it needs to do. Plan. It breaks a big goal into smaller steps on its own. Uses tools. It can browse the web, run code, read files, send emails, adapt. When something doesn't work, it tries a different approach. AI can loop. It keeps going until the task is actually done. The big difference from a workflow follows a fixed path. An agent figures out the path itself. Here's a simple analogy. A workflow is like a vending machine. You press B4, you get a bag of chips. Always the same. An agent is like a personal assistant. You say, get me a snack, and they figure out what you want, where to get it, how to get it, and bring it back. The agent doesn't need you to define every step. It just needs a goal. Now, technically, the way agents do this involves something called the react loop, short for reason plus act. Every cycle, the agent asks itself, what's my goal? What do I know right now? What's my next action? What did I observe after that action? And then it repeats over and over until the goal is complete. This is why agents can handle complex, multi-step tasks that would completely break a simple workflow. Let me make this concrete with one real-world example. Let's say you run a small business and you want an AI to research your competitors and generate a report. A basic LLM. You'd have to prompt it manually, paste in URLs yourself, ask for summaries one at a time, then copy-paste everything into a document. That's you doing the work. A workflow? You could automate some of that, Maybe it searches a list of 5 websites and summarizes them. But if one website changes its structure, or a competitor launches a brand new product page the workflow wasn't expecting, it breaks. An AI agent? You say, research my top 5 competitors, identify their pricing, main features, and any recent product launches, then write me a summary report. The agent goes and figures it out. It searches for each competitor, it reads their pages. If a page doesn't load, it finds another source. It pulls pricing, features, and news, and it writes the report. It hands it to you. You gave it a goal, not a step-by-step recipe. The agent handled the rest. That's the power of level 3. One more concept worth knowing: multi-agent systems. Instead of one agent doing everything, you can have teams of agents, each specialized in something different. Imagine a research agent that gathers information, a writing agent that turns that into content, a review agent that checks for errors, an orchestrator agent that manages all of them. This is how some of the most powerful AI systems being built today actually work. It's like having a whole department, but made of AI. So why should you care about any of this? Because we're at an inflection point. Right now, most people are using AI at level 1, asking ChatGPT questions, getting answers. That's great. But the people who understand and use level 2 and level 3, they're going to have a massive advantage. Agents can handle research, outreach, content creation, data analysis, customer support, all with minimal human input. You don't need to be a developer to start exploring this. Tools like N8N, Cursor, and various no-code platforms are making agent building accessible to everyone. The question isn't if AI agents will change your work. It's when and whether you'll be ready. All right, let's do a quick recap. Level 1, LLMs like ChatGPT, reactive. One question, one answer. Level 2, AI workflows, automated sequences, powerful but rigid. Level 3, AI agents, goal-driven, adaptive. They think and act. If this video clicked for you, smash the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want to go deeper, I'll be covering how to actually build your first AI agent in the next video. No coding required. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Okay, here is a question for you. What's one task in your life you'd want an AI agent to handle? Drop it in the comment box below, and maybe you can share a great idea. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.